Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlazia.
Hey, my loves, let's just unpack on case ka Joshlin. I want to case ibuhlungu because it's very heartbreaking. So listen to the stuff that happened because it was premeditated. I mean, obviously, prior to her disappearance, a lot happened, guys. Kuningi at some stage bathi umakwa kwamdonsa kwaze kwasala flip flop outside. Umakhelwane ebukele and uzobona ngaso umakhelwane unozi like I was calling her uLombard. Yabo nje nale futhi the other next door futhi naye is the one that actually saw Josh, and in fact bemdonsa a day before kwaze kwa flip flop pants yasala pants. Imagine bona bangena in them kuku where they were staying. Remember, I did put in them kuku where they were staying. At times uyayibuzwa ukuthi is it poverty? Like, what was this going on? Ngoba bunch of the stories of Kelly coming out, guys. Or Raquel Smith. It's a lot. The way basically nje, just as much as Betty, she was a good mom and all, I also logo it's being questioned now. So the presiding judge, guys, was just saying ukuthi uLombard next door long to knows is important in this testimony. But it's crazy how things turned around yesterday, where they said some of the stuff now she's saying is not make sure. So we are questioning a lot of things. Did these things happen? Were they taking idakamizwa together in the Yobis? You ask yourself that question. Maybe things will turn around, but Laurentia Lombard, remember, she was actually the fourth one on the accused last year on the lower court. Now they've changed things, but I know Hawks actually are the ones that said no. In fact, she's a star witness. Sisters, also money. There was a time where she was laughing. I was just like, bro, like, why are you even laughing? Go, but you are also a mad. I ain't given you the but I guess she needed to give that testimony where she was giggling now. No, Stefan, who accused number 2, is it 3 or Stefan, was giggling there in court. Guys, so Laurentia Lombardi turned state witness. I think she was like, what? I don't want to be involved in these things. I mean, I am turning a state witness, and somehow I think was Dalela. Wasinje ngifuna ukuba state witness mina manje. Hayi uyabathengisa, uyabadayisa, umthengise kahle nje uKelly Smith. Uzobolela ejele lo mama lo. Ngoba she hasn't even told us ukuthi ingane kahle kahle what exactly happened to the child. Proper yena sizwa ngabantu for now. uLaurentia Lombard ubefa naye iyobisi phela lezi iqala ngo-D and ubebhema EM. Hayibo EM guys, Nkosi. Hayi ngeke uLaurentia bebephila lapha eSaldan yena no Lokhuzana into enjena guys. Uyabona ukuthi that is why manje sekubuka sengathi even naye, just as much as kuthiwa uyi-star witness, izinto zakhe they don't make sure. Kuba how do you remember? Kuba phela lo muntu lo bese sechaza ukuthi she was bemaring the whole day. On top of iyobisi usisters uLaurentia Lombard, just because simbiza futhi that is why actually simbiza nosy neighbor, ngoba she's the same person who was listening to Jacqueline, I think that's his name, accused number 3, boyfriend ga Kelly. She was listening to them, nosy neighbor, ukuthi ene yeah no singitholile isangoma. That's why ngithi abona boyfriend iyona yafika nalo sathane masusubuka kahle. Ngobani kusetshenziswa neyobisi la usazi now awusaboni, you just like okay I'm gonna agree kapha siyahlupheka. Hayi it's fine, ngizoyithatha le offer lina ukuthi ngithengise umntanami for 20,000 esangomeni. Manje sishintshile indaba ye-West Africa, manje sekuyisangoma. That's nje into ehamba phambili manje esangoma. Alele njalo uLombard ngoba guys, I guess at the same time futhi imkhukhu they very near to each other, so uzozwa yonke into. Lethu uzwa nalo munye umakhelwane lo wabona ingane, I mean singena endlini ne flip flop. uSalome ke naye the latest witness uyayisho lento lokuthi how she saw Maka Jocelyn dragging her to the shack ne, and then flip-flop yawa. So she was just nje detailing that ukuthi naye she stays not far from them and she'll walk not far from them, like she passes through the shacks. Like I'm saying, guys, ama-shacks, the way they are so close to each other, ayikho into ongayazi, ayikho into ongayiboni. uPaulina naye bebembambile bembeke ekhoneni i-defense bethi sisi, like how would you know the distance wena, like you were passing when i-distance yakho ubona uKelly dragging uJocelyn kuze kuwe i-flip-flop. It looks like you're too far. How could you say this? Hey, guys, it's harder. This case is like so heartbreaking. Yabona, i-defense is going to be busy with Laurentia because uLaurentia manje angithi uyi-star witness state, and now she's looking like manje uyantengantenga her testimony is not make sure because unalento leyo ukuthi mina uKelly uMaka Jocelyn confided in me nangokuthi she gave herself 1,000 after thengisa ingane for 20,000 rands, and wanika uStefano for his silence 1,200. So nje hey guys, yabona inciki this case songizoma kancane lapho. And just wanted to thank you so much, guys. If nivula my YouTube channel, you need help yami stems from nje to advertise and all of that, I will do that for you guys. Yeah, and just give you heads up around that. But I appreciate you guys so much for always supporting me. Ngithanda over. Thank you.